Is a Wyoming DAPT good for business owners? Are you a business owner wondering if a Wyoming Domestic Asset Protection Trust is the right choice for you? Let's break down the benefits and considerations of using this trust for asset protection. First off, Wyoming DAPT statutes provide strong asset protection. This means that as a business owner, you can transfer your business interests and valuable assets into the trust. Once in the trust, these assets are shielded from creditors and lawsuits. The trust's spendthrift provisions make it even harder for creditors to access your trust distributions. Next, let's talk about control and flexibility. Unlike many other asset protection options, Wyoming DAPTs allow you to maintain significant control over your assets. You can serve as an investment advisor, veto distributions, and even withdraw a limited percentage each year. This is especially beneficial for business owners who want to stay involved in managing their assets without giving up ownership. Tax advantages are another key point. Wyoming is known for its favorable tax environment. There is no state income tax on individuals or trusts, no capital gains tax, and no estate or inheritance tax. This means your trust assets can grow without the burden of state taxes, which is great for long-term wealth preservation and planning for future generations. Privacy is also an important consideration. Wyoming's trust laws allow for anonymity, which is appealing for business owners who prefer to keep their asset protection strategies confidential. You do not need to be a resident of Wyoming to establish or maintain the trust, making it accessible no matter where you are located. Now, let's look at practical applications. A Wyoming DAPT can protect your business interests from lawsuits or creditor claims. It can also help preserve wealth for future generations through multi-generational trusts. Many business owners combine their DAPT with a Wyoming Limited Liability Company to enhance liability protection and possibly reduce tax liabilities. The flexibility of the trust allows for adaptations to changing circumstances or laws. However, there are some considerations to keep in mind. Courts may scrutinize trusts where the creator retains too much control, which could lead to challenges from creditors. It is essential to work with experienced estate and elder law attorneys to ensure that your trust is drafted and administered correctly. While Wyoming DAPTs are generally cost-effective compared to offshore trusts, in some complex situations, offshore trusts may offer stronger protection. In summary, a Wyoming Domestic Asset Protection Trust can be a good option for business owners looking for asset protection, control, tax benefits, and privacy. It aligns well with estate planning goals, especially for those focused on safeguarding business assets and ensuring smooth wealth transfer. Just remember that careful legal planning is key to maximizing benefits and minimizing risks.